We're going to take a look at the Intelligent Solution Factory from Iridius that implements and addresses two hard problems. One is around a gap in the AI stack around compliance, and the other is around how you build enterprise-grade agentic solutions. We'll start by taking a look at a compliance document. And this has lots of different requirements, and we need to ingest those into an actionable data structure that the AI can use that allows us to generate structured rules. And then we need to implement those rules in a semantic graph database that allows the agents to get down to the very precise piece of information that they need at the node level. This gives them the context they need about how to design, how to implement, and how to monitor that particular requirement. Now let's talk about how solutions are built. We take your existing artifacts and we literally generate what we believe is the solution that you want from those existing artifacts. We do some analysis to understand what type of solution you want to build so that we know the context. And then we generate an executive summary that you can share with your stakeholders to get their feedback. Notice that we've identified all the different requirements that you have around compliance. And then we generate the individual agents that are needed from your solution, or we identify existing agents from the agentic library, which will drive reuse across your organization. Next, we add in connectors for the backend systems and applications you're going to need to integrate with, whether that's SAP, ServiceNow, or GitHub. Agents are doing that implementation for you rather than you handcrafting them every single time, saving you both time and money. And now we can generate the actual solution architecture for your solution in BPML. This is an editable architecture that represents what we're going to build in the next step. We can now assemble and build the solution, doing unit tests and solution tests, ensuring that everything that we require is included in the solution. The final step is to move on to compliance validation to identify the human-led compliance steps that you're going to need to take where we're pre-populating much of the information. We're also publishing transparency cards for every single agent and group of agents that you've implemented in your system. Our pre-flight verification checklist ensures everything's okay before we deploy the solution into your user acceptance testing environment. We can't deploy into production because compliance steps are still required. And here's the application working that has been built. See all of the items that we've required to process claims here with AI for Acme Insurance, and we can double check the compliance dashboard to ensure that the solution you're running is in real-time compliance. And the bottom line is that the Intelligent Solution Factory from Iridius has built your solution. It's innovation in days and not months.